First reading, Deuteronomy chapter 26 verse 16 to 19. This day the Lord thy God hath commanded thee to do these commandments and judgments, and to keep and fulfill them with all thy heart, and with all thy soul. Thou hast chosen the Lord this day to be thy God, and to walk in his ways and keep his ceremonies, and precepts, and judgments, and obey his command. And the Lord hath chosen thee this day, to be his peculiar people, as he hath spoken to thee, and to keep all his commandments. And to make thee higher than all nations which he hath created, to his own praise, and name, and glory, that thou mayst be a holy people of the Lord thy God, as he hath spoken. Psalms chapter 119 verse 1 to 2, 4 to 5 and 7 to 8. Aleph. Blessed are the undefiled in the way, who walk in the law of the Lord. Blessed are they who search his testimonies, that seek him with their whole heart. Thou hast commanded thy commandments to be kept most diligently. Oh, that my ways may be directed to keep thy justifications. I will praise thee with uprightness of heart, when I shall have learned the judgments of thy justice. I will keep thy justifications, oh, do not thou utterly forsake me. Gospel, Matthew chapter 5 verse 43 to 48. You have heard that it hath been said, Thou shalt love thy neighbor, and hate thy enemy. But I say to you, love your enemies, do good to them that hate you, and pray for them that persecute and calumniate you. That you may be the children of your Father who is in heaven, who maketh his sun to rise upon the good and bad, and reigneth upon the just and the unjust. For if you love them that love you, what reward shall you have? Do not even the publicans this? And if you salute your brethren only, what do you more? Do not also the heathens this? Be you therefore perfect, as also your heavenly Father is perfect.